Good afternoon, everybody. I thought a change of scenery would be nice for you today as I'm recording this Module 5 from my office here at IUP. Module 5 is the importance of teamwork to performance and good communication. But, I don't like good communication. I like great communication. So even if the person you're communicating to isn't a great communicator, you make sure that you are, because down the road, that'll go a long way. So chapters 9 and 10 continue the conversation of leading. These chapters are specifically about team development and communication. This is crucial for team success. Managers need to learn how to build their teams to ensure everyone is working towards the same goal. One way you learn to do that is by communicating effectively. Below in the introduction, you will see the power of teamwork with the geese flying into V formation. That video will serve as a brief but relevant introduction to the importance of teamwork and the role that individuals play on a team, organization, business of any type. You know what to expect out of chapters 9 and 10? Well, here you go. You'll learn about team development and what's the magic word for this module? Communication. This lesson will cover many important elements, including the group performance module, meetings, utilizing different types of communication and criticism, amongst others. You'll be able to discuss how the lessons learned from geese can be utilized in successful teams and the negative effects of barriers to and on communication. In the weekly assignment, you'll learn to use the 6 group process components to analyze a group of your choice. So the objectives met in Module 5 include explaining the 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, and how they apply to various sports and recreational business. Nothing new. Identifying social responsibility initiatives through the sports industry, and demonstrating knowledge of various leadership theories and their effective applications in sports industry. At the end of Chapter 9, you'll be able to explain how groups and teams differ, explain the group performance module that I spoke on earlier, categorize groups by their structure, define 3 major roles group members play, explain how roles and norms differ, describe cohesiveness and why it's important to teams, describe 5 major stages of group development and leadership style appropriate for each stage, explain how group managers and team leaders differ, and how to lead a meeting. By the end of Chapter 10, you'll be able to understand how communication flows through organizations, whether they be right or wrong, list 4 steps in the communication process, use transmission channels well, communicate effectively in person, select the appropriate channels for your messages, solicit or ask for feedback properly, explain how we receive messages, choose appropriate response styles, and how to calm an emotional person. And I will tell you, I've worked in athletics for, since 2006, and you definitely know how I'm feeling. I wear my emotions on my sleeve. So this is one that, not only learning how to calm an emotional person, but, calm yourself as an emotional person is pretty important, I feel. The to-do list is your discussion questions and the weekly assignment, which is the 6 group process components. That's going to be due Sunday at 11:55. I hope you had a great week with the rest of your courses. Again, please reach out to me with any questions, concerns you'll have. Have a great day and week.